Question 24. The diagram shows an equilateral triangle. We should now pause and think, what do we know about an equilateral triangle? Okay, so all the lengths are the same, but more importantly, the angles are also the same. So this is going to be 60 degrees, this is going to be 60 degrees, and this is going to be 60 degrees, because the angles in an equilateral triangle are all 60 degrees and they have to add up to 180. And then it says, P is the midpoint of AB here, Q is the midpoint of AC here, and then APQ is a sector, and it says calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay, so, and then it says give your answer to 3 significant figures. So how are we going to go about doing this? Okay, let's try and concentrate on finding APQ first. Okay, so from A to P, so we say the length of A to P is equal to 3 centimeters, and so if you imagine this as being a circle here, then the area of the whole circle is then pi 3 squared, but we only want 60 degrees of this circle, so we say the area of APQ is then 60 over 360 times it by pi times it by 3 squared, which is then equal to, we can do 60 divided by 360 is 1/6, so that's 3 squared divided by 6 times it by pi. But this isn't our answer, because we are required to find the area of the shaded part. So how are we going to find the area of the triangle ABC? Well, let's have a look at our formula booklet, see if there's anything in there. Or formula sheet, I should say. And brilliant. So we can look at this, and what's the key thing here? It says the area in any triangle ABC, the area of the triangle is half AB sine C. So the area of triangle ABC is a half. We can pick any angle because they're all equilateral, and we can pick any two sides because they're the same length. So this is half times 6 times 6 times sine 60, i.e. a half AB times C. Okay, and now we have this area of the triangle, and we have the area of this sector. Hence, shaded area is equal to a half times 36 times sine 60 minus 3 squared over 6 times pi, which is the same as 18 sine 60 minus 3 squared over 6 times it by pi. Plug this into our calculator, so I didn't realise you couldn't see that. We get 18. If I put this there, maybe I can move this up slightly. We get 18 times it by sine of 60 minus 3 squared divided by 6 times it by pi, and we get 10.876. But what do we know? Well, we're going to have to put it in terms of what? 3 significant figures. So let me make sure I've done this right. Yeah, so let's put it in terms of 3 significant figures. So we have 10.876, which is equal to 10 point, we have 87 here, so we're going to put it as 10 point, this is the first significant figure, but because the full significant figure is 7, we have to round up. This is 10.9, so it's 10.9 centimeters squared. Okay, quite tricky this question, I'm not going to lie, but the key point to doing this well and answer it accurately, okay, key things, first of all, work out the sector, use your knowledge of areas of sectors pi r squared. divided by this fraction here over 360, and then use your formula booklet to find the area of any triangle, and you're done.